Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. Alright, USDJPY today analysis. So let's start the top-down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly is what I told you yesterday. Go and watch my yesterday's video. We had like massive 200 pips, I guess. Let's see. It opened at 154.57, closed at wow, almost 300 pips in just one single candle. Oh my god. This is today, right? This is just today. Okay, yeah, this was yesterday. Sorry, this is weekly we are talking about. Okay, I thought this is daily, but this is weekly. So weekly means since Monday. Since Monday, we have made almost 300 pips in a weekly time frame. But I had been telling everybody that this high will be taken. That's the TP1, which will more likely be touched today. Okay, so you have to be careful about the news which would be coming today, I guess, for dollar. I don't know. They might they might hold the news. They might hold the news. Who knows? Okay, but anyways, this TP will be taken for sure. And coming back to daily chart, we have the uptrend. So yesterday I was telling you, I have been telling you all this time that USDJPY don't give you the opportunity to enter. Okay, so coming back to 4 hour, again the same thing. I think we were on this candle. I don't know where we were yesterday. Somewhere here. I don't know. Okay, so we were somewhere here, and I told you that you have to wait for the rejection from the EMA and then go long. But you don't get opportunity in USDJPY. You just go and trade some other pair. Okay. Again, if you want to enter long in USDJPY, wait for the rejection from the EMA. That's the only chance. Okay. Don't just enter in between. Just go and trade some other pairs. Trade Euro, USD, GBP, USD, and other pairs. You never know. USDJPY will not give you opportunity to enter. I'm telling you right now. Okay. So, for example, if you trade USDJPY, you're supposed to enter maybe, I don't know where, maybe here. Okay. So this was your entry. So if you go long, this was your entry. You were supposed to enter here and then just let the trade run. Let the trade run until your weekly TP. Okay. So USDJPY, don't go after it. Don't chase it. Let the price come and reject the 4 hour. Then only look for longs. Otherwise, I think USDJPY has reached its TP1. So don't worry about it. Go and look for other pairs. And too much for free. Subscribe, like, share. If that's not too much, get the software. Join brokers. Do it. Otherwise, I would stop what I'm doing for free. I actually am providing you thousands and thousands of dollars content for free. You know that. I don't have to tell you, okay? Nobody else is coming and precisely telling you when to exit, when to enter, okay? Yes, other people are saying, trend is down, look for shorts, trend is up, look for longs. I gave you freaking fucking entries in every video. I give you, I guess, free entries. Okay. And yeah, bye. Take care.